Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're not going to do any DIY. We're not going to do any makeup. Today I'm starting a new segment in my channel which is cooking. I know. A lot of us don't like cooking. It's same with me. That is the reason I have learned some easy peasy recipe which you can cook in no time. So I'm going to start sharing it with you all. Do let me know if you all are enjoying it, if you've tried any of those recipes, or if you need any more details in the recipe. So let's see what do we have in our kitchen.